Have you ever wondered how some people seem to achieve their dreams effortlessly? What if I told you there's a tool, backed by both ancient wisdom and modern science, that can help you turn your aspirations into reality? This tool is creative visualization, and it has the power to transform your life. Hi, I'm Evelyn Stonebridge, a relationship coach and counselor with over 20 years of experience. While my focus is often on building connections, today we're shifting the lens inward to explore how visualization can fuel personal growth. Creative visualization isn't just daydreaming, it's a deliberate and focused process that allows you to align your thoughts, emotions, and actions with the life you desire. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable techniques to manifest your goals and unlock your potential. Let's take a step back and look at where visualization comes from. While the term creative visualization gained popularity in the 20th century, the practice has roots in ancient traditions. From Buddhist meditation practices to the visualization techniques used by Olympic athletes, the power of mental imagery has been recognized for centuries. Notable figures like Napoleon Hill in Think and Grow Rich and Shakti Gawain in creative visualization have emphasized the role of mental imagery in success and personal development. These methods have since been studied extensively, showing how visualization activates neural pathways, making your goals feel not just possible, but inevitable. Now let's dive into the heart of visualization techniques and how they can be applied to everyday life. Guided imagery. Close your eyes and imagine yourself achieving a specific goal. The more vivid the details, the better. For example, if you're preparing for a big presentation, visualize yourself speaking confidently, engaging the audience, and receiving positive feedback. Focus on the sights, sounds, and emotions of that moment. Vision boards. Create a collage of images and words that represent your goals. Seeing this board daily reinforces your intentions and keeps you motivated. For instance, if you're dreaming of traveling, include pictures of destinations, luggage, and even airline tickets. Affirmation. Visualization. Pair affirmations with mental imagery. Say, I am thriving in my dream career, while visualizing yourself in your ideal work environment. This combination reinforces belief and action. Sensory enrichment. Use all 5 senses in your visualizations. If you're imagining running a marathon, picture the finish line, hear the cheers, feel the pavement under your feet, smell the fresh air, and taste the water you'll drink afterward. This immerses you fully in the experience. Micro-visualizations. Use visualization in everyday tasks. Before starting your day, take a moment to visualize how you'd like it to unfold, whether it's a productive work meeting, a fulfilling workout, or a relaxing evening. Here's an example. Lisa, a client of mine, wanted to improve her confidence in social settings. By visualizing herself engaging in conversations with ease and warmth, she began to embody that image. Over time, this practice helped her naturally adopt the behaviors she envisioned. Of course, visualization isn't always easy. You might feel skeptical or struggle to stay focused. It's common to think, how can imagining something make it real? The key is consistency and trust in the process. Think of visualization as mental rehearsal. Just as athletes train their bodies, you're training your mind to see possibilities. If staying focused is a challenge, start with short sessions. Even 2 minutes of focused visualization can make a difference. Use tools like guided meditation apps or calming music to help you concentrate. Remember, perfection isn't the goal, progress is. Now let's talk about integrating visualization into your daily life. Here are a few strategies. Morning visualization ritual. Begin your day by visualizing one goal or intention. This sets a positive tone and directs your energy toward achieving it. Journaling with visualization. Write down your goals as if they've already happened. For example, I am grateful for landing my dream job, or I'm proud of completing my first marathon. Pair this with a few moments of mental imagery. Guided visualizations. Use resources like online videos or apps that walk you through a visualization process. This is especially helpful if you're new to the practice. Incorporate vision boards into your routine. Place your vision board somewhere you'll see it daily, like your workspace or bedroom. Spend a few moments each day reflecting on it. Visualization anchors. Pair visualization with a habit you already have. For instance, while brushing your teeth or brewing your morning coffee, take a moment to visualize your goals. Creative visualization is more than just imagining success. It's about aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions. When you visualize consistently and with intention, you're rewiring your brain to believe in possibilities and encouraging behaviors that bring your dreams closer. Let's recap. Visualization involves techniques like guided imagery, vision boards, affirmations, and sensory enrichment to bring your goals to life. It's about bridging the gap between where you are now and where you want to be. With consistent practice, you can overcome skepticism, focus your energy, and manifest incredible changes in your life. Now it's your turn. Try incorporating visualization into your routine and share your experiences in the comments below. Have you used any of these techniques before? How have they worked for you? Don't forget to check out my video on affirmations and personal growth for more tools to enhance your journey. Make sure to like, subscribe, and join me next time as we explore more ways to transform your life.